Hi everybody, I'm Tara from Crooked Row.
I'm Christopher.
And as you might see, we are actually not at Crooked Row. We are at my mom's senior living apartment, and we wanted to do a quick video and show you how you can still garden in an apartment. We have purchased a couple beds for my mom to put right outside her sliding glass doors, and we'll go ahead and go over and we'll start and show you how we're going to fill those and what we're going to do today. So let's go. So these two beds are right outside my mom's sliding glass door. She had gotten permission, and actually some of the other people did too, to go ahead and have like planters and things. We're gonna start my mom off with these two beds, and hopefully we'll be able to like start putting planters and things in front of this, but we're gonna see how she does because my mom is disabled. These are raised, literal raised beds, so there will be nothing underneath of these. My son's put these together. There's drainage holes in the bottoms, but there's also a liner. Go ahead, Elijah. There's a liner that goes in these. And I think that this will just also help the wood be protected from breaking down. We just purchased these on Amazon. It was only about $125 for both of these, which is pretty good considering that most beds are about 300 bucks a bed. So Christopher, if you want to put your liner in, and then we'll go ahead and we're just going to, today, we're gonna fill these with Burpee organic raised bed and container mix. I typically use Espoma, but I was unable to locate any Espoma. So this is also a peat-free mix. I actually looked for peat, but the peat was way more expensive than this container mix is. And I'll show you the amendments that we're gonna add to this as well. Okay, so we got my mom some Espoma organic chicken manure to make sure that her bed is just nice and well fed. Christopher, how much does it say to add per, each bed has about 8 square feet, how much?
So we will be using 1 cup per bed, because what it recommends is per 7 square feet, you want to use 1 cup.
Okay, great. Let's get started. So the boys went ahead and filled that, and we actually have also filled it up with some chicken manure. We're also going to, everything that we plant today, we're going to use Biotone starter fertilizer. We want to get a good root system going. Since it's also a new bed, I want to make sure and use the Biotone because it doesn't have the, I think it's called mycorrhizae fungi. Like at the farm, we have a lot of that good beneficial bacterias and fungus and all of that stuff growing. But these are brand new beds and we're at an apartment. So we want to make sure and add the Biotone starter fertilizer to all the plants that we're going to do today. So Mom is bringing out her trusty Rollator. This is a walker that can actually double as a seat, so that she can sit at her bed and plant her beautiful strawberry plants that I started for her. got some sage planted. We got 2 tomatoes planted. She got strawberries planted and onions planted.
Sage.
I said sage.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. And we'll try and get her some lettuce seed to plant because fresh salad is where it's at.
This is Mother's Day gift. I love it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm
Happy
gonna
Mother's Day to all you mothers out there.
I'm going to beat Papa in the
garden race.
garden race.
So, if you have any questions, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to grow our channel. And if my mom can do this, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.